Hey
Hey
guys.
guys,
Well,
welcome back.
yes. So today we're gonna just give a like a small oh, I'm sorry, Nigel. I
Is
cannot
it?
hold.
No, show them my forehead little bit. No, I cut my hair recently just for the videos.
Oh yeah, sure. So we are gonna make this. We're making this video because we got a lot of queries that if not Serbia, then where? So we made a short recently about.
Now is that was about Russia. If you guys have not watched the shot, run fast, go check the shot and come back here again.
Yes. Now I want Nigel to hold it because it's hurting me.
Okay, okay.
So, in the short, we spoke about if people had like a smaller budget, then
Smaller budget.
Russia is a good place because obviously it's cheaper.
Also, now focusing on many students, what do you say? First option or first priority, which is Georgia.
Yes, because a lot we come from UAE and a lot of our classmates are in Georgia, and many people from the Gulf try to go get into Georgia
Even our first option for some time was Georgia.
before
But
Ukraine.
Before Ukraine.
So, but like, and even now Indians have started going to Georgia. From India, and they've started direct flights, right?
Yeah, they have started direct flights to Georgia, not just to Tbilisi, but also some other cities
Airports.
in Georgia.
Yes. So, which universities do we suggest?
Sorry.
Obviously, Tbilisi is everybody's first choice, but it's expensive.
As of now, yeah, because of demand and all those stuff, they have increased their
It's
price.
more expensive than Serbia. So, yes, Tbilisi, good university. You want to get through, good. But if you want to get through, you can also get through Kutaisi. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the word properly, but it's another city very close to
It is
Tbilisi.
Kutaisi Medical
And-
University.
And what happens with them is that, the living expense in Tbilisi is very high because a lot of students, and it's obviously even a tourist place. Tourism is high over there. But if you get into Kutaisi, its living cost is cheaper. And what about Kutaisi is good? I mean, we're just saying according to our
As of
research.
now, I know we'll talk about the price range. The tuition fees
tuition.
around $4,000
And can be
a
paid
year.
in semesters.
We can pay it semester wise, installment as they call it, some people call it. So we say semester wise you can pay it off. Also, as we are speaking, yeah, for Indian students also it's going to be easy as they have direct flights to Kutaisi, so they don't have to travel to Tbilisi and then by road travel to Kutaisi. They can just directly land in Kutaisi.
Yes, they have actually a bigger international airport than Tbilisi. Also,
Yeah, speaking about the partnership, as you were
Yes.
saying earlier,
You say-
there is also European University in Georgia. So the
that's in
students
Tbilisi.
that is in Tbilisi. So the students,
It's
so
one
many
of-
cars are
yeah.
passing. So as if any student is studying in Kutaisi, they can also go to European University and get their practical experience over there as well.
Yes, other than Tbilisi, European University in Georgia is like a very big university, very big foundation.
Also
where-
in demand right now.
like not just big on infrastructure, I'm saying, but also big like in the, popular. I'm saying
Renowned.
renown. I cannot get the words. So because they can't see me.
You grow tall, please.
Okay. Also, so if you have the opportunity to do your practicals not just in one university but in two places, it's really helpful.
Exposure,
because-
as they say.
Yes.
Yes. See, I'm just putting one term.
So you get more exposure, you get more experience when you have that. So that's like one of the good things. And fees is cheap. I mean, we are paying more.
I
We are
mean,
paying more.
yeah, and
It's
also
more
it's in euros, so yeah, it is more.
It's
But it depends on the experience, country, all
and
those.
everything is much better. Like it's more Indian influence. Like you have more Indians there. Still, what are the other universities that are in Georgia?
Yeah, I'm right now so blank that I can't remember anything.
Blank.
Tbilisi, Kutaisi,
Tbilisi,
European.
European University, SEU.
SEU.
Also, a lot of our
Caucus.
Ukrainian, yes, Caucus University. A lot of our Ukrainian classmates have gone to
Yeah.
Kutaisi, Caucus, and
SEU.
SEU. Yes, because I think the fees were cheaper and they were accepting a lot of transfer students as well. So that's one, like that's our suggestion. But again, if you're looking into Serbia has also really good universities, our university being the cheapest. And
Don't call us cheap because of that. No.
no,
Nothing like that.
it was they just started the English program in Kragujevac, so it was a good choice, and it's also very good ranking.
Very good choice. Yeah, you can see videos on us speaking about our experience here as well.
Yes.
Yeah, so you can see and you can judge for yourself, like how
Right.
good or how bad. is
Yes.
it.
And there are other universities in in Serbia. That's Novi Sad, Niš, Belgrade. Belgrade being the expensivest, then Novi Sad being a little bit more expensive, and Niš being
Moderately expensive, and
Okay.
and Kragujevac being.
cheapest. It sounds so bad. So yes, if you guys have any other queries, do get to us.
Yeah, you guys
we-
don't mention in the video anyway, so you guys can again sneak into our Instagram page and message us directly over there.
Yes,
we are totally
and
fine.
We will reply to you guys. It takes a little time because right now we're a little bit busy with classes, but
Yeah,
we will
I
get.
need to please show some sympathy on me that I have 8 subjects to clear in
Oh,
this semester.
He does.
I feel like crying sometimes, but no, this is life.
And
right?
that's just because we're transfer students. So if you're a new admission and all, it
Rework.
would be much easier.
Easier.
But
Lavish life. I hope I have a lavish life next
next semester, because we will finish all of our. They
Rework,
term it
sorry.
as rework, but we never worked on it.
Yeah,
in
it's just a
Ukraine.
new work for me. instead of
Yes, we
rework.
never had these subjects in Ukraine. But anyways, so yeah, do get to us and see. We tell you things again. We're gonna repeat. We tell you things based on our research, based on what emails and replies we get.
As we mentioned that we have friends over there, so then
So we do
just
find
get
out.
easy information
Okay.
this way.
So, but if you guys need to make sure that you do your research and find out on your side as well, because we cannot be 100% sure about everything. There are changes in every place. Even like in Serbia, there were changes made because of how many students were coming in. So all the best to you guys, and stay
See you
tuned.
soon. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. See you
Subscribe,
soon.
like also.
Bye.